Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Bright Concept here. In this video I'll be teaching you how to design a seamless carousel. That's that carousel you post on your Instagram. I'm teaching you how to design a seamless carousel. So let's dive into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Bright Concept here. In this video I will be showing you how to design a seamless carousel for Instagram post. Okay, what I mean by a seamless carousel, just like this design that is popping up on your screen now, so this is how I'll teach you how to create these exact designs on your smartphone using pixellab. So do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any video or any tutorial that we upload here. Alright, let's dive into the video. Alright, before we start, there are steps in creating this carousel post. The first thing you have to look at is the Instagram post size. Okay, there are two kinds of Instagram post size. You have the square size and you have the portrait size. Now, using the square size, this is let's impute the square size. Okay, when you come here, the width of the square size is 1080 and the height is same thing because it's a square, so it will be equal. Both sides are equal. Okay, now let's use the square size. This is the square size, and the portrait size is, the width will be 1080 and the height will be 1350. So anytime you're creating an Instagram post and you want to use either of this size, size, you have to take note of the numbering, the thing that you can impute in your pixellab pixels. Okay, here this is the aspect ratio. The aspect ratio here of the portrait size is 4:5. Okay, 4:5. Then the aspect ratio of the square size is 1:1. That is 1080 to 1080. So let's use the square size for this tutorial. Now, if you want to create an Instagram carousel, let's import an image. First of all, let's change our background color. That's if you wish to. Let me change the background color. Alright, let me change the background color. Okay, I'll be using this color. Now let's import an image. Let's import an image. Let me go to other folder. Alright, let me import image from this place. Okay, let me import this image. I'll have to crop. Now we have this image. Now we have this image. Make sure you position it so with the size you want to. If you want to leave it this way, let me reduce it a little bit. Okay, I want it to be something like this. Let me crop this again. Alright, now let's lock this. Now the next thing you have to do is to use the grid lines. Okay, to use the grid lines. Here is the grid lines. Click on it. When you click on the grid lines, then you enable this grid settings. This is the grid settings. Click on the grid settings. Now click on the horizontal grid. This is the horizontal grid and this is the vertical grid. This is the vertical grid and this is the horizontal grid. Now click on the vertical grid. Click on the vertical grid and click on this this position 2 here. This is the position 2. Click on the position 2 and increase this to 100. Now you are increasing the vertical grid from the right hand side to 100. As you can see, it is now at the edge. It is now at the edge, as you can see this place. Now click on the vertical grid on the left hand side. Click on it, then click on the position tool again, then reduce it to 0. Okay, make sure you reduce it to 0. Now it's on the left hand side at the extreme, as you can see this place. Now let's remove other grids. Let's remove this center grid for now. Won't be using it. Let's remove the center grid. To remove the center grid, you click on the grid you want to remove and click on this. Now let's come to the horizontal grid. This top grid here, let's remove it as well. Then this lower grid, let's remove it as well. We'll be needing that if you are using more than one image in one post. Okay, but we are just using one image. Now once you've clicked on the center grid, that is the the horizontal grid. Once you've clicked on it, you have to reduce it a little bit. Now then next thing you will do is to click on that magnet. Here is the magnet. Click on the magnet. Once you click on the magnet, then you disable the settings. Click on that grid settings. Now unlock this image. Now let's adjust. Just watch closer. If this image touches this place, this center grid, now that is this horizontal grid, you see it will show a red light, a red neon light. I see it. No light. Just focus close. You see a red light. So to this, they enable you. It is at the center of that place you positioned your vertical grid. If we are to raise this grid up again, let's click on the settings. Let's push it up again. Then disable the settings. I see. It's telling us that this image is at the center of that vertical grid. Now let's drag it to the edge. Let's drag it. As you can see, the edge, also the vertical grid at the right hand side, is now dimming red. That is combining with the horizontal grid and the vertical grid, and now both of them are now dimming red, which is telling you that it is positioned at the center of where the grids are. Now once this is done, you can lock this image, type in your text. Let me type in my text. Okay, let me type in my text. Okay, this is my text. I'll position it the way I want it to be. Let me position it. Let me increase the. Okay. Let me decrease the line. Now I'll leave it this way. Now the next thing to do. Now we have gotten what we wanted. As you can see, it's not moving. We've locked it. Now what you do is to save this image. What you do is to save this image. Let's save this image. Make sure you save it after you've inputted everything you want to input there. Okay, now we've saved it. Sorry for that. Now we've saved it. So the next thing to do is to unlock this design and enable the grids again. Then this text, you have to move the text. Let's remove the text. Now we've unlocked the design, the image. Now we'll drag it to the other side, to the left side. Make sure when you're dragging it, make sure the vertical grid is dimming red. I see. Then when you move it to the other side, the left side, the vertical grid is now dimming red, which is the horizontal grid. I see it. The vertical, both of them are now dimming red, telling you they are positioned at the center. Now we'll do the same thing. We'll lock it. We'll lock the design. We'll lock the picture. Now, if you wish to input another text here, let me add another text. I've added another text. Let me reduce the size. Come here and increase this. Okay, now I've added another text and I will lock it. Then we'll disable the grid. Okay, now we have this. Again, let's save this. Let's save this design. Let's save it. Okay, let's save it. Alright, now we've saved this. So to test if what we did worked, you have to go to your Instagram page to post this to know if it is seamless. Okay, now let's go to Instagram. Let's go to Instagram and check. Let's go to post and post that images with that designs we saved. Now this is the first one. Just make sure you take note of this. You post it according to the first one you did. This is the first one and this is the second one. Now let's select the first one and select the second one. Sorry, let me do that again. Let's select the first one, select the second one, then click on next. Now let's click on next. We've already done that. Okay, as you can see this. Now we've not yet tested to know if this is actually what we got. So what we'll do now is to post. Let me post this. Let me post. Instead of adding any caption, let me just post it. Alright, so this is the post now. Just watch. I sing. There's no let me use this to sorry. As you can see, this is very seamless. There's no line cutting through the image. There's no line. Normally there will be line cutting through the image, but with these easy steps you won't find any line. It will just be as if the image, the design is just going without ending. That's why it's called seamless. Okay, as you can see, there's no line cutting through at the center of the image. It's just neat. No line to cut through the image. So, and that is how you can create your seamless Instagram post. Okay, if this video has helped you, don't forget to click the like button. If this tutorial has you've learned a lot from this tutorial, don't forget to click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to share this video to others who will need it. Thank you so much for watching.